Hello friends, today we are making this multi-purpose nice and easy star. It's a step-by-step beginner friendly tutorial. I will show you how to make a bookmark out of it. If you want it for a hanging purpose, I will show you how to do it as well. I'm using a Barbie pin and the beautiful nice pearl in the middle. I hope you will like it, so let's start the video. I have 2.5 mm hook size. Make magic ring. Chain 2. And make 9 double crochet around the magic ring. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 double crochet, pull the yarn, this is our first chain. Make slip stitch, now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6, make slip stitch in second chain. Make single crochet, another single crochet, make half double crochet, make double crochet in last chain. Now make slip stitch in second chain, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make slip stitch in second chain, single crochet in the next chain, another single crochet, one 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and one last double crochet in the last chain. Make slip stitch in second chain. Keep the yarn, chain 6 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6, slip stitch in first chain, single crochet in second chain, another single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet and make one double crochet in the last chain. And make slip stitch again in second chain, chain 6 again, chain 6, slip stitch in second chain, single crochet, next chain, one, another single crochet, one half double crochet and one double crochet in the last chain. Now we will make slip stitch in the next second chain, this is the back side and this is the front side. Chain 6 again, this is our last one, slip stitch, single crochet, another single crochet, half double crochet and make one double crochet, now we have here last 2 chains. This is our first chain and we're going to make another slip stitch in this first chain. Make slip stitch. Now if you want to have a star like this, then you just need to chain 1, lock and cut your yarn. If you want to make for a hanging purpose, then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to hang the star like this, chain as long as you need, make slip stitch back here in the first chain, make slip stitch, like this. Chain 1, lock and cut your yarn, and you can hang star like this. You just need to chain according to your need. If you want to make star bookmark, then you just need to chain as long as you required for your book size. For example, it is long enough for your book size, make treble crochet in 1, 2, 3 in third chain. Make another treble crochet in the same chain. Like this. Chain 1, lock, cut your yarn and fix it at the back side with the help of the needle. Now we are going to make for the pin. Now this is the slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, chain 3 at the back side, pull the chain. Here we have a round back. Here you just need to make slip stitch here. Chain 1, pull the yarn and lock. Cut your yarn and fix the yarn at the back side with the help of needle. Pull the yarn. So keep this yarn inside, and the star is ready. You can keep it as it is. Now we are going to use a barbie pin. This is the upper part. Turn it down and insert it in this loop. So if you want it, you can add a pearl in it as well. I like to add this pearl up here as well. So add the pearl, fix the yarn. You can make this nice and easy pin for yourself, for your kids. You can gift it as well. You can make a easy bookmark. You just need to chain according to your need. For hanging stars, make long and short chains, and you can hang it beautifully. Cut the extra yarn and it's ready. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, visit my playlist Crochet Tutorials. Till the next video, bye.